Hey guys, and welcome to Math to Know. We have 100 divided by 5 plus 5 in parentheses times 10. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Now let's solve this math expression. 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 times 10 gives us 100. Now in next step, 100 divided by 100 equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order operations, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division have equal priority, and addition and subtraction have equal priority too. Now, according to the PEMDAS that is here in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first, not this division and this multiplication. If we do this division and multiplication first, it is wrong. Now, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's rewrite the expression. We have 100 divided by 10 and times 10. Now, in next step, we have one division and one multiplication. And as we know, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication and division have equal priority. So we have to work from left to right. Now, 100 divided by 10 equals 10. And now we have 10 times 10. So our final answer is 100. Thank you for watching. Excuse me.